Hey guys, welcome to Croma Unboxed. We help you buy better and make the most of the gadgets you have already bought. Today we are unboxing the newly launched Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max. The new iPhone arrives in a box that's made using 100% recycled materials. Notice how there is no plastic covering the box or any of the products inside. Apple says that it has phased them out since 2009. And there it is, folks, the new Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max. It looks similar to the iPhone 13 Pro Max from the back. But there's now a new deep purple color that we really like. And of course, the gold, silver and space black are there too. You get the same shiny metal bands running on the sides, and there's a SIM card slot too. Apple may have dropped the SIM slot from its new iPhones in the US, but thankfully the Indian variant continues to have one. There's also a Type-C to Lightning cable in the box, but no charging brick. You knew that already. But you can buy that separately from a Croma store near you or on Croma.com. Let's take a closer look at some of its features. The front looks familiar until you fire up the iPhone and don't find the notch. In its place is an all-new pill-shaped cutout, and this is where the real magic happens. Apple calls it Dynamic Island. Think of it as an animated widget that dynamically expands as you get important notifications. There are even cute animations when doing tasks like setting a timer or controlling the music. Once you're done interacting, it goes back to being a pill-shaped cutout. Looks pretty cool, right? Let us know what you think. Surrounding the Dynamic Island is the Super Retina XDR OLED display. The 120Hz high refresh rate makes apps and the UI feel buttery smooth when you scroll on the screen. 2000 nits of peak HDR brightness. What that means is your Netflix movies and TV shows that stream in HDR will look absolutely stunning. And so will your Instagram reels. The blacks are now inky and the colors are natural yet punchy. Now to the main brain behind running everything silky smooth. That is the new A16 Bionic processor. It's basically more of everything. Faster, better and more efficient. All this without draining your battery. Turning to the rear cameras now. They might look similar to the iPhone 13 Pro Max, but they have been given a massive update. This is the first time Apple has used a 48-megapixel main camera sensor on an iPhone. It shoots better photos than the 12-megapixel cam on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Apple also says that this new sensor will allow 2x telephoto zoom through the main camera itself. If that isn't enough, there's still a dedicated 12-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x zoom. Lastly, there's a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. It promises sharper macro shots and better low-light photos than before. Lastly, there are two new safety features. First is Emergency SOS that lets your iPhone connect directly to a satellite and contact emergency services. Second is Crash Detection. Apple uses newly built gyroscope and accelerometers to detect when your car is in a severe crash. On detecting the crash, your iPhone will call emergency services for you. So there you have it, folks, the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Prices start from 1,39,900. If you're looking for identical features but with a smaller form factor, you can opt for the iPhone 14 Pro. Prices start from 1,29,900. For something that's lighter on your pockets, don't forget to check out the iPhone 14. Prices start from 79,900. It's now available on Croma.com and at your nearest Croma store.